Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to making background transparent. So prepare your photos, type in your project and add your photos. So for example, I already have one project with one photo here, and then to make the background transparent, you are just going to remove the background. So how to just click on the clip and then you can select cut out, and then you can select remove background for this kind of the clip. So you can see the background has been removed automatically. So that's it. You can see the background is transparent. So yeah, so basically I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.